As I said before, I had a traffic accident and my nose was broken. At that time, I said why I had to take the situation. Why? What am I supposed to do that? But now, thinking it again, I might pay for it because now I think my attitude was not good for a while. For example, I overwhelmed my tasks and I was pressed for time so much. So sometimes or often I looked irritated and my face is slacky. So furthermore, even when someone had in trouble with something and I looked him or her, but I overlooked it. So I think the God wanted me to be more polite and kind to people. So that's why I had an accident. I'm still depressed with my nose broken, but my recent behavior was sometimes not good, so I will reflect it and I'll try to be more polite and kind person. You know, I'm too focused on my dream. I might focus on just my dream. So it's good to pursue my dream, but it's not good just to pursue my dream. So I want to keep pursuing my dream with polite and kind heart. I will change my mind. Anyway, that's all. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time. Bye.